Hey Ron, how's it going? I took apart most of your blower there. There's a tube. There's all the casing stuff. I had to take this apart because it's kind of locking up. It wasn't turning at all. I'm getting about a quarter turn, almost a half a turn on it now. It was not budging at all. Now, might be able to see. I guess you can't see down in there, but on inside the exhaust here, yeah, I might not be able to see it, but it looks like the top of the piston there is a little kind of looking on the brown side, hopefully not burnt. So this, I'm getting a little movement out of it. This is soaking in the PB blaster stuff. Right now I just sprayed some in there, so hoping to get some more motion out of it. Just gonna let it sit for a while. But I had to take this off because a lot of times, here's where the impeller goes. These there's some screws behind that'll sometimes catch on the impeller, so it's not an engine thing. It's a screw that's backing out. Like all these screws, like all of them have Loctite on them, so they don't vibrate loose. But sometimes they still do. And then there's you can kind of see the piston right there in this shot. See down in there? So it's a little, might just be rusted to hell. And gonna let this PB get down in there and start to work. I'm getting more and more of a turn as time goes on here. It's gonna loosen up. Whether or not it's gonna have compression, we'll see. But it looks like I broke it free. So it's not seized up. Once I get it to move a lot, so you can kind of see in here now. Keep the camera out of the way. Okay, I'm starting to see the piston there. It's pretty dark. See that kind of dark where the ring is coming up right now? You can see it right in there. That's where the piston ring is, and you can kind of see that. Top of the piston looks pretty scorched, but I can't see the side of it very well because it's still kind of stuck. So it could be kind of, it might have welded itself. This is the exhaust port where the exhaust comes out, so it could be that it's really scored, but I can't get it to move enough just yet to tell for sure. And once I get it to come up a little bit more, if I can, I'll be able to tell. I'll keep you updated. And then also, there's a carburetor over here someplace. Yeah, this carburetor, most likely, I mean, it was so dirty and stuff. I haven't taken it apart to see if maybe the diaphragm is bad. But if it's more than a couple of years old, the diaphragm, it probably, since everything's apart, should probably just go ahead and be changed. But anyway, just giving you an update.